Hi everyone, in this video we are going to execute messages from the producer to consumer using Python code using Kafka as well. So for that initially we have to go to our Kafka directory and directory, and to execute the Python code we should install Kafka Python using the pip install Kafka Python is the command to be used. And next in this let's start our Zookeeper server. So by using bin slash zookeeper hyphen server hyphen start dot sh space config slash zookeeper dot properties. So our Kafka our zookeeper has started. Now let's take another terminal and start our Kafka server. For that, first initially we need to go to our directory. Here also bin slash Kafka hyphen server hyphen start dot sh space config slash server dot properties. So our Kafka server is also started. So till then we will take another terminal and create our topic. So first initially we have the Python code here. So first initially in the env file I'm giving the localhost, and next in the producer we have the topic, like, so Kafka, we should import Kafka producer, and next .env and to load the .env file. So what are the we will load that and we will get the data, and here we are giving os dot get env. And next the producer we are taking the boot servers, that is our local host, and then in the producer we are sending producer.send to our topic python hyphen Kafka 1 will be our topic, and we are sending messages. These are our messages and we are just flashing. And next is the consumer. In the consumer directly we are taking the topic, and next for message in consumer print the message. This is what we are doing. So it's a simple program. So for that initially we have to create Python Kafka 1 as our topic. So let's create that topic. Downloads Kafka. Now to create the directory bin slash Kafka hyphen topics dot sh space hyphen create space hyphen zookeeper space local host colon 2181 is our local host space hyphen topic. Our topic is Python. Let's see the topic again. So it is, let's copy it. So this is our topic, and So here replication factor as mentioned as 1 and hyphen partitions mentioned 1. And now let's press enter and see our topic got created. To list the topic, we just simply we will use list here. So bin Kafka topics.sh and hyphen list zookeeper and the localhost. So what are the topics we have? All the topics are mentioned here. So this is Python Kafka 1 is our topic. And now and let's start our producer and the consumer. So here we are using the consumer. We will use the consumer. So bin slash Kafka console consumer.sh, bootstrap.server and the local host and the topic Python from the beginning to be mentioned, and we will press enter. And then now in the Python code we will run the producer file, and so let's run the producer. So here is the consumer file and here is the producer file where localhost 9092 and our sending the data, and from the consumer this is. And let's run the data. Here we have the consumer console. See, our data got executed using Python to execute messages. This is Kafka Python welcome. So what we have done is we will go to the consumer.sh and in the console we will run the producer.py file, and so the data got executed. That's the end of the video. That's we are sending from the producer to the consumer whatever the data present using a Python code. And in the next video we will use producer to consumer storing of livestock data with the Python. Thank you.